Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, our definitive guide on the top 5 best mechanical keyboards of 2024 crafted for enthusiasts and professionals alike. These keyboards promise unparalleled typing precision and tactile satisfaction. Stay tuned till the end to discover which model earns the crown for innovation and ergonomic design this year. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Asus ROG Falchion RX, a sleek 65% wireless gaming keyboard that's turning heads with its innovative features. So, let's get started and see what makes this keyboard a game changer. Compact design, boldly compact. The Asus ROG Falchion RX isn't just any keyboard, it's a space saver's dream. With a 65% layout and a 60% frame, it masterfully blends functionality with an ultra-slim 26.5mm profile. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to more desk space. ROG RX switches, smooth operator. The pre-lubed ROG RX red and blue switches are a typist's delight. Centralized lighting ensures each key is evenly lit, while the wobble-free design provides consistent, rapid-fire keystrokes with almost no delay. Its responsiveness at your fingertips, tri-mode connection, connectivity unleashed. Whether you're a multi-device maestro or a single-system savant, the tri-mode connection has you covered. Media playback, volume, and lighting are all at your command, simplifying your gaming and work sessions. macOS support, seamless integration, switching between Windows and macOS? No problem. The Asus ROG Falchion RX ensures a smooth transition with dedicated macOS support, making it a versatile choice for all users. Conclusion, and that wraps up our review of the Asus ROG Falchion RX. It's compact, versatile, and packed with features that cater to both gamers and productivity power users. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, the Falchion RX deserves your attention. Number 4. The Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless Gaming Keyboard. This sleek beast promises a top-tier gaming experience, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Compact efficiency, boldly stepping into the gaming arena. The ROG Strix Scope 2 retains all function and number keys in a 96% layout. It's not just about saving space, it's about maximizing efficiency without compromise. Switch it up. The hot swappable switches are a game changer. With pre-lubed NX Snow linear switches and ROG NX Storm clicky switches, you get stability and acoustics that are music to any gamer's ears. Tri-mode tech connectivity is king with the tri-mode connection. Whether you're a fan of Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz with ROG SpeedNova, or old-school wired USB, this keyboard has you covered. Silent but deadly, the sound-dampening foam and switch-dampening pads are the unsung heroes. They absorb those pesky pinging noises, making every keystroke as stealthy as a ninja. Typing nirvana. The enhanced typing experience comes from pre-lubed stabilizers and durable keycaps. Whether you're in the heat of battle or typing an essay, your fingers will thank you. Conclusion, in the Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 is a formidable contender in the gaming keyboard market. With its thoughtful design and innovative features, it's sure to elevate any gaming setup. Number 3. The Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard and MX Master 3S Mouse Bundle. So, let's get clicking and clacking with this dynamic duo designed for quiet performance and ergonomic productivity. Quiet performance duo. The MX Mechanical Keyboard offers tactile quiet keys paired with the MX Master 3S Mouse's 8K DPI sensor. This combo promises a whisper-quiet experience with 90% less click noise, perfect for those late-night work sessions without disturbing anyone. Ergonomic productivity. Logitech combines low-profile mechanical keys with a hand-sculpted mouse design. This ergonomic pair ensures comfort for hours, making it a dream for long workdays. Say goodbye to wrist fatigue and hello to seamless productivity. Smart illumination. The keyboard's smart backlighting is a game changer. The keys light up as your hands approach, adjusting brightness based on your environment. This intuitive feature means you'll never miss a key, no matter the lighting conditions. Mag-speed scrolling. Scroll through documents like a breeze with the MX Master 3S's mag-speed scrolling. It's capable of zipping through 1,000 lines in a flash and stopping on a dime. Switching between ratchet and hyperfast modes is smooth and satisfying. Customization workflow. Logitech's options plus software takes customization to the next level. Tailor your mouse buttons and keyboard's FN keys to fit your workflow. This personalization can significantly speed up your daily tasks, making your work more efficient. Conclusion: the Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard and MX Master 3S mouse bundle is a powerhouse for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. With its quiet performance, ergonomic design, and customizable features, it's built to boost productivity. Whether you're a professional or a casual user, this bundle is worth considering. Number 2. The Corsair K70 Mk.2 Rapid-Fire Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. So, buckle up as we explore what makes this keyboard a must-have for gamers. Build quality. First off, the build quality is top-notch. The aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame isn't just for looks, it's built to withstand intense gaming sessions. This keyboard feels solid on your desk and promises durability for years to come. Storage and profiles. Now, let's talk about customization. With 8 MB of profile storage, you can save up to 3 gaming profiles directly on the keyboard, making it a breeze to switch setups on the fly, no software needed. It's all about personalizing your playstyle. RGB backlighting. Moving on to aesthetics, the per-key dynamic multicolor RGB backlighting is a visual treat. The near-unlimited color customization means your keyboard can match your mood, your game, or even your entire setup. Key switches. Performance-wise, the rapid-fire advantage is real. The Cherry MX Speed mechanical key switches offer blistering fast 1.2 mm actuation, giving you that edge in reaction time. It's all about speed and precision here. USB pass-through. The USB pass-through port is a nifty addition. It provides convenient access to an additional USB port for your mouse or headset. This means less clutter and easy connectivity, which is always a plus. ICUE software. Lastly, the Corsair ICUE software. This software takes lighting to another level with vivid dynamic control and allows for sophisticated macro programming. Plus, it syncs up with other Corsair peripherals for a cohesive look. Conclusion: to wrap it up, the Corsair K70 Mk.2 Rapid-Fire is a powerhouse of a keyboard. Whether it's the sturdy build, customizable profiles, stunning RGB, rapid actuation, or the handy USB pass-through, it ticks all the boxes for what gamers crave. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup, this keyboard should definitely be on your radar. Number 1. The Keychron Q5 Max Wireless Custom Mechanical Keyboard. This isn't just any keyboard, it's a game changer for both typing aficionados and efficiency seekers alike. So, let's get cracking. Upgraded wireless full metal keyboard. The Q5 Max is a marvel of connectivity, boasting 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and Type-C wired options. Its compact 96% layout doesn't skimp on functionality, offering a robust feature set including QMK/via key remapping and a snappy 1000 Hz polling rate. It's the ultimate tool for those who demand both style and substance. 2.4 GHz Bluetooth seamless connectivity. This keyboard ensures your workflow is never interrupted, thanks to its seamless 2.4 GHz wireless connection and lightning-fast 1000 Hz polling rate. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.1, you can effortlessly switch between up to 3 devices, making multitasking a breeze. Program with QMK via customization at your fingertips. Customize your typing experience with the Q5 Max's QMK and via compatibility. Remap keys, set macros, and tailor your keyboard to your workflow, all with the ease of the Keychron Launcher web app. Its programming is made simple for every operating system, Full metal body durability meets design crafted from 6063 aluminum. The Q5 Max's body is a testament to precision engineering. It's undergone a meticulous 24-stage manufacturing process to deliver a keyboard that's not just a tool but a work of art. Enhanced shock feel typing nirvana. Every keystroke on the Q5 Max is a joy, thanks to the integration of premium acoustic foams and our double gasket design. The PBT keycaps and screw-in stabilizers only add to the satisfying thok sound that typists love. Innovative PBT keycaps, south-facing backlight, aesthetic and functional. The unique KSA profile keycaps are crafted from durable, oil-resistant PBT, ensuring longevity and comfort. And the south-facing RGB backlighting? It's designed to illuminate your keys without blinding you, providing a sublime backlighting experience. Conclusion: in the Keychron Q5 Max is not just a keyboard, it's a statement. With its unparalleled connectivity, customization, and build quality, it stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone serious about their setup. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.